Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and secure your IRS account with identity protection step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type irs.gov in the address bar and press enter. Once the IRS website loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on sign in to proceed to the login page. If you do not have an account, select the option to create one. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information, including your name and social security number. Make sure to use an email address that you can access easily. After entering your information, you'll receive an authentication code via email or text. Retrieve that code and enter it on the IRS website. Once your email is verified, create a strong password for your account. To add an extra layer of security, opt for multi-factor authentication. This usually involves receiving a code on your phone whenever you log in. After completing your account setup, log in to your IRS account. Review the security settings within your account profile. Ensure that your contact information is up to date and correct. Consider enrolling in additional identity protection services offered by the IRS. These services can alert you of any suspicious activity involving your IRS account. If your account has been accessed without your permission, report it to the IRS immediately. Finally, regularly monitor your IRS account for any changes or unauthorized access. Keep your login information secure and do not share it with anyone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.